guys, welcome to today's maths class and today we'll do area of polygons. Our learning objectives are area of trapezium, area of quadrilateral, area of parallelogram, area of rhombus, area of polygons having more than 4 sides or area of field. So area is the space occupied by a figure having 2 dimension length and breadth. Recall the following formula for the areas of different plane shape which you have already learned in the previous class. So area of rectangle, that is L into B. Area of square, that is side into side. Area of parallelogram, base into height or altitude. Area of triangle, 1 by 2 base into height. Area of equilateral triangle, that is equals to root 3 upon 4 into side square. Area of a circle, pi r square. A simple closed plane figure made of line segment only, that is called the polygon. So that is called polygon. The magnitude of the plane region covered by is called its area. किसी भी shape के अंदर का जो भी होगा, that is called area. Next is like suppose this is a rectangle. So the inner part enclosed by the boundary, that is known as its area. Next is unit of measurement of area. The basic standard unit of the area international system is 1 square meter. 1 meter square, that is the area of the square of side 1 meter. A smaller convenient unit for the area, that is 1 square centimeter, 1 centimeter square. 1 square centimeter, that is equals to 1 centimeter square, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. 1 square meter, that is equals to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, 10,000 centimeter square. Now we'll take an example here. A house is to be constructed in the middle of the square plot. The garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 per meter square. So first we'll find the area of the plot. So area of plot, square plot at 25 into 25, 625 meters square. Now we'll find out the area of house. So area of house 20 meter into 15 meter, that is 300 meters square. Now area of garden क्या हो जाएगा, total plot में से house का area subtract कर देंगे. So that is equals to 325 meters square. Now we have to find the cost of developing garden, that is 55 rupees per meter square. Per meter square की cost है. So we have to find it for 325 meters square. So we'll multiply by 55. So that is equals to rupees 17,875. Next is exercise 15.1. A house is to be constructed in the middle of a square plot. The garden is developed around the house. Find the cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 50 per meter square. So first we'll find out the area of plot. Means total land जो available है, we'll find its area, that is 40 into 40. That is 1600 meters square. Now we'll find out the area of house. Area of house, that is equals to 25 into 20. 500 meters square. 25 length है and 20 breadth. Clear? Now area of garden, (1600) minus 500. So that is equals to 1100 meters square. Now the cost of developing garden, that is 50 rupees per meter square. So total cost क्या हो जाएगी, 1100 into 50, that is equals to rupees 55,000. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is area of a trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel opposite sides. Trapezium में क्या होगा, one pair of side parallel होंगी, means SR is parallel to PQ. Clear? In the given figure, PQRS is a trapezium in which PQ is parallel to SR. Each of the two parallel sides of the trapezium are called the base. Thus, PQ and SR are the bases of trapezium PQRS. Now draw RN perpendicular to PQ. Now we have drawn a perpendicular RN on PQ, clear, and SN on PQ. Two perpendicular हमने draw किए हैं, this one and this one. Let Rn equals to Sm, that is equals to height h. So ये क्या हो गई इसकी height h. Then h is called the height or altitude of the trapezium PQRS. A trapezium PQRS is said to be an isosceles trapezium if non-parallel sides are equal. Next is area of quadrilateral. First we draw one diagonals of the quadrilateral that divide the quadrilateral into two parts. Then we draw the perpendiculars on the diagonals to form the remaining vertices. So area of quadrilateral PQRS, that is equals to area of triangle PQR. Two triangle में divide हो गया PQR, and next is triangle PSR, this one. So triangle का area क्या होता है 1/2 base into height, so that is equals to 1/2 PR into QT plus 1/2 PR into SU. So that is equals to 1/2 D1 into H1 plus 1/2 D1 into H2. So that is equals to 1/2 D1 multiplied by H1 plus H2. So area of quadrilateral 1/2, one diagonal multiplied by sum of corresponding offset on it. Next is area of parallelogram. In the previous class, we have found the formula of the area of parallelogram as the B into H, that is the base into corresponding height. From the above formula, for the area of the quadrilateral, we can find new formula of the area of parallelogram, because parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. So area of parallelogram PQRS क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे area of triangle PQR plus area of triangle PRS. So that is equals to 2 multiplied by area of triangle PQR. Clear? Next, 2 into 1/2 base into height, so PR into QT, that is equals to D1 into H1. Hence the area of parallelogram, one diagonal multiplied by the height of the perpendicular on it from the opposite vertices. Next, area of rhombus. We can use the formula finding the area of quadrilateral for the rhombus, because rhombus is also quadrilateral. So area of rhombus PQRS हो जाएगा area of triangle PQR plus area of triangle PSR, that is equals to 1/2 PR into H1 plus 1/2 PR into H2, that is equals to 1/2 PR common ले लेंगे multiply by H1 plus H2. But here in the rhombus, the diagonal bisect each other at right angles, so H1 is BO and H2 is SO. So H1 plus H2 क्या हो जाएगी QS. So area of rhombus PQRS 1/2 PR into QS, that is equals to 1/2 multiplied by the product of its diagonal. Alternative proof. Since all the sides of the rhombus are equal and its diagonals bisect each other at right angle, they divide the rhombus into 4 congruent right triangle. So area of rhombus क्या हो जाएगा 4 into area of triangle POQ, 4 into 1/2 multiply PO into QO, 4 into 1/2 into 1/2 PR into 1/2 QS. So 1/2 PR into QS. Clear? So that is equals to 1/2 product of its diagonal. That is the area of rhombus. Next, know it. Area of trapezium 1/2 into height to sum of parallel sides. Area of quadrilateral 1/2 into diagonal. Area of rhombus 1/2 product of diagonal. Next is example 4. Length of the fence of trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter if BC equals to 48 meter and CD 17 meter and AD 40 meter. Find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to parallel side AD and BC. So fence the trapezium shaped field ABCD, that is 120 meter. So here we have given AB plus AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, that is 120. Now, these sides are given, BC 48 given, CD 17 and 17 meter given and DA 40 meter. So, we can find out what is the length of AB. So, इनको total करके 120 में minus करेंगे. So, AB is 15 meter. This side, this is 15 meter. Now, we have to find the area of trapezium shape filled. That is 1 by 2 H यानी height multiplied by A plus B. So, 1 by 2 height हो जाएगी AB and A plus B. A plus B हो जाएगी BC and AD, parallel sides, sum of parallel sides. Clear? So, we'll put the value 1 by 2 15 into 48 plus 40, that is 1 by 2 15 into 88 660 meter square. That is the area of trapezium shape filled. Next is exercise 15.2. Find the area of these quadrilateral figure. So, area हो जाएगा in this figure 1 by 2 into 7 into 6. So, that is equals to 21 centimeter square. That is the area of given quadrilateral. Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is area of polygon having more than 4 sides or area of the field. The shape of field or plot that is not always in the form of rectangle or square. To find the area of polygon or the field having more than 4 sides, we draw one diagonal, usually the longest, and draw the perpendicular on it from the remaining opposite vertices. Thus, the polygon divide into a number of triangle, trapezium and sometimes rectangles. We calculate the area of each shape and then add. Sometimes we divide the polygon into 2 ways, drawing one or more diagonals with the perpendiculars if required. So, we will take an example here. Top surface of the raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon. As shown in the figure, find the area of octagon surface. So, we have to find the area. So, what we have done? So, इस तरीके से हमने draw कर दिया. We have divided it into like this rectangular. ये एक rectangle बन जाएगा and these trapezium, 2 trapezium. So, area of octagon surface, area of rectangular portion plus area of 2 trapezium 1 and 2. So, area of rectangular portion, length into breadth 11 into 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and the perpendicular height है that is 4 and 11 plus 5, 11 ही हो जाएगी and 5, ठीक है. So, that is equals to 55 plus 64, 119 meter square. That is the area of the given octagonal. किस शेप का है? octagonal surface. Clear? Next is exercise 15.3. The top surface of the table in the shape of regular octagon as shown in the adjoining figure. Find the area of octagon. So, here we have divided the octagon into 1 rectangle and 2 trapezium. So, area equals to हो जाएगा area of octagon, that is equals to area of rectangle plus area of 2 trapezium. So, area of rectangle, that is 15 into 5 means 75 centimeter square. Area of 2 trapezium 1 by 2 into perpendicular height, that is 3, multiplied by 15 plus 5. So, that is equals to 75 plus 60, that is 135 centimeter square. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. A trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel opposite sides. Area of trapezium 1 by 2 into sum of length of parallel side into height. Area of parallelogram 1 diagonal into height of perpendicular on it from opposite vertex. Area of rhombus 1 by 2 product of its diagonal, a simple closed plane figure made of line segment only, that is called polygon. Next is multiple choice questions. The area of the rhombus is 60 centimeter square. One of its diagonal is 10 centimeter. Find the other diagonal. So area of rhombus होता है 1 by 2 multiplied by product of its diagonals. So area of rhombus, that is 1 by 2 into product of diagonal. Suppose one diagonal we have to find, that is x. So area is given, that is 60 equals to 1 by 2 multiply by one of the diagonals given here 10 centimeter, 10 into x. So x equals to हो जाएगा 60 into 2 upon 10. So that is equals to 12 centimeter. So B is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.